Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a full site backup, files and database, and verifying it restored cleanly on a local or staging environment. Once done, put the live site in maintenance mode and collect FTP/SFTP or hosting control panel credentials plus WPCLI access. Next, download the specific older WordPress package you want to use. Make sure the version matches plugin and theme compatibility notes. These steps prevent data loss and let you test before touching production. You now perform the core downgrade. First, deactivate plugins and switch to a default theme so no hooks break. Then replace the /WP includes and /WP admin folders with the extracted older version using FTP or WPCLI. Do not overwrite WP content. After replacing files, visit /WP admin to trigger any necessary database schema adjustments. Follow prompts carefully. Finally, correct file permissions, usually 755 for folders, 644 for files, and confirm no PHP or. To finish, clear all caches and re-enable plugins one at a time while testing key flows like login, checkout, and forms. This isolates incompatible extensions. Make sure front-end assets load correctly and that permalinks are intact. Flush rewrite rules if needed. Once satisfied, remove maintenance mode and monitor error logs for 24-48 hours. If something breaks, restore your verified backup immediately. Enable WP debug to capture PHP errors, and consult the logs to pinpoint offending plugins or database mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.